Hi friends, I am Nagaraju. Welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share my knowledge about the functions in C programming language. Yes, it's coming to the topic functions. Generally functions plays a major role in programming language because of a huge number of tasks can be divided into subparts. It's going to be reduce the time taken by one man to share the all the peoples to do the work. Let's coming to the topic. What is function? Function is nothing but a set of statements. This is one point. Set of statements is nothing but the functions. It's going to be perform one task. It's going to be to perform a particular task. Anything it is particular task. It is nothing but the functions. Let's coming to the terminology. It is C programming language. Then it's called the set of statements or task is nothing but the functions. But whereas coming from the Python or Java, the same set of statements are called it as task are called it as a methods. The whole structure is same, but the terminology is changed based on the programming language. I'm going to tell what is structure of a function. First, return type is there. After that, function name is there. After that, number of parameters available. Yes. Inside that, curly braces is open curly braces. These are the delimiters in C programming language. Whatever language is, these are called the delimiters. These are the number of statements you want to write. Yes. After that, closed curly braces. This is the function definition. If you call it as a function declaration, we are going to just function name with the number of parameters. Yes, this is the enough. The terminology can be different because of this is the function definition, this is the function declaration, this is the calling function, this is the called function. These are the actual parameters, these are the formal parameters. There is a lot of terminology functions. It's coming to the one of the example I am going to tell you. Yes, I used the software of developer C++. Yes, see here. I'm going to take the one example. This is the return type. Fun is the function name and parameters are x and y. Here I'm just going to print the sum of x and y. Yes, this is the function definition. Now I'm going to write the function declaration for that. Here a comma b scanf %d ampersand a comma. We are going to read the values from the user. That's why I'm going to scan the input. Now I'm going to declare the function name with a comma b. It's just going to be executed. Yes, it will take to load. First save the function name as sample.c. Yes, okay. It is asking for input. I am going to give 10 and 15. It displayed 25. 25 is the value of sum of 10 and 15. In that programming there is nothing is there. Just we are going to coming from main only. Compiler checks the code from main. Here int a comma b. These are the two variables. After that, scanf. We are going to scan the input from the user. Then again we are going to declare the function with function name. This is the function declaration. In that statement, it's going to be searching for function definition. In that, this is the function definition. The compiler comes from here and execute the all statements available in function definition. In this, we are going to just print the sum of x and y values. These are the formal parameters. These are the actual parameters. This is the one way of writing the functions in C programming. There is another way of writing the functions. I am going to tell you. stdio.h. Before programming, I write the program. I write the function first. In this programming, I write the function in after the main function. There is a small difference is there. Here I am going to take I'm going to take the same example as you write in earlier programming. %d ampersand a comma ampersand b. Here I'm just call the function with function. This is the same as I've written in earlier program. Here if you write it as a void fun of int x comma int y. Yes, here I am going to print the value of x plus y. Yes, the same as the earlier program, but the small difference is there. If you write the first main function, then definitely declare the function name with return type and function name with a number of parameters. This is mandated to write. But whereas coming from this, if you write function definition first, there is no need of declaring the function declaration for before the write the main function. This is the small difference from the. Yes, I am write the return type, function name, number of parameters. Yes, int comma int. This is enough. This is another way of writing the functions. I am going to save it as a sample.c. Yes, it is asking for input 10 and 25. 35 is the answer. Yes, this is the two way of declaring the functions and using the function. Generally, functions are mainly used to divide the task into subparts. If you in competitive exams, here is going to ask the write the program for a number is both the palindrome and as well as prime number. In that case, we are going to write the functions of palindrome and prime number. This is enough. That's why we are going to use the functions. I hope all of you understand this about the functions. Thank you, friends. Thank you.